I'm going to show you how you are going to create your idiom video. You're going to use WeVideo, so you're going to go to www.wevideo.com, and it should look like this on your screen. And then you're going to pick the Google sign. You're going to sign up with your Google account. Then you're going to sign in with your student account. Mine will already upload because I already have an account, but you're going to have to go through a process of creating your own account. You are going to create a new project. You need to create a title, so maybe the title of your idiom. Then you're going to create video. Sometimes you have to be patient while things are loading. You will find your videos in the shared folder under, if you go under Northwest ELL, click on that, Spring 2017 project, click on that, and then your group should have a folder. So then you'll be able to access all your videos. If you don't find one that you think that you should be on there, let me know. A couple of things. When you're editing a video, make sure you talk to your group which video you are going to record. You don't want to be doing the same idiom. So maybe one person does one idiom and the other person does another idiom. So you need to decide that. Some basic features. These two lines here are for video, where you see video 2, video 1. You can overlap videos and that sort of thing, but really you should only have it on one line. So you shouldn't be building two. You should be building all on one. If you need to delete something, just grab it and delete. Grab it and delete. So that's how you do the video part. If you double click on the actual video, there's lots of things that you can do. You can rotate the video. You can flip it. You can make it fit to the screen, but the resolution does get kind of foggy, so I would suggest to keep it to normal screen. I would suggest also raising the volume as high as you can, because the iPad volume, the microphone isn't very good. You can click on this fade out. There's a box here, you probably can't see it, but there's a fade out. You want to click on that so it naturally fades in and out. You can change brightness, you can change lots of different features. This one I would suggest not worrying about. If you want to do slow motion, you can, or speed it up, you can go faster or slower here, or just do the regular. And you'll push done editing. Here's some other features that you can use. These are some backgrounds, so maybe if you want to do title or open up your video in a certain way, you'll put that up front. If you don't have a video there, a lot of times it will go for a long time. But this one, I guess, does not, so scratch that. If you want to undo anything, you push this undo button. That's the best way to learn. So then you can do like an opening video. You can also do just like a blank color. An overlay is like you actually put it on your video. And then a frame if you want a frame. Music, you can put this type of music. You can't upload your own. It doesn't have that feature. You can only use what they have. I would suggest going into the premium music folder because there's a lot better music here. So you can click audio, you can't put it in video 1 or 2. You have to put it in audio. Now you notice that it's way too long. So I'm going to narrow it down by pulling it and pushing it this way. I also want it to fade out. So at the end, it's going to have no sound. So that again transitions your feature as well. Also, if you need a sound effect, like a school bell ringing, you can add that to your video as well. These are transitions, so they're basic transitions which are often good to use when you're going from one scene to the next. So I'll drag it in between 2 videos. You can click on it to make it longer if you want it to be a 2-second transition. So then what will happen is, get rid of the music for right now. What will happen is you will see it will transition. Last thing that you will want to do is title. So if you want to explain what your idiom is, you'll pull down on video 1 or video line. To edit the text, let me show you again. You double click on the text and then you will write what you want to be seen. You can change the color, you can change size, you can have it start at the beginning one place and then end at one place, but that gets to be very very difficult. You can also have just basic titles that don't move, or annotations as well. So these are the basics. If you don't want to mess around, you can also do themes. So it will change everything for you. It'll put music. It will put all the things that you think you might want, but you don't know how to do. So you can use that theme. I like to do this rather than theme, but that's just one thing that you want to do. So you need to set a title for your video. When you finish your video, you'll push finish. Make sure it's on HD. We have the school version, the free version, you'd have to do standard, but we can do HD, so we want the best possible. Then you're going to put finish, and then it takes a while to download, and then you can go back to your project. I have a lot of projects, but you can create another one if you need to do another one. Your video should show up under videos. The best way to learn is to mess around. Try not to make things too long, any of the entrances too long, because then people get bored with it. But have fun with it. It's a cool thing, and if you have questions, let me know.